It's beginning to look a lot like
from middle to low.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. You're blocking me all that short.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. So yes guys, by the time you guys are seeing this, I think it's going to be the 1st of December, so happy December 1st. So yes guys, today we're starting, it is actually the 23rd of November. We're starting off my intro, the Vlogmas intro. So we're officially going to try and do something. I have started before, but you know, today's gonna be like the official kind of thing. So we're starting off today. We're quite excited. So right now I just finished my class, so I'm actually going to get things on the ball, see if I can get some stuff done. My intro and outro you guys will be seeing in this video, but also the back, what do you call it, the behind the scenes kind of stuff. So first we're gonna film my sisters. I need to go and shower so that I can start mine. So yes, I'm gonna do that and then we'll come back. So alright guys, so I'm trying to incorporate like all the colors into the outfit. So I chose this red tights. It's the only red tights I have. This white t-shirt, and these aren't necessarily socks. I think you'd call them like some shoes looking something. I've had these like in like forever. So yeah, I'm gonna put on those. They're like some, what do I call these, elf shoes. So ta-da! I need to find like my hat, but it can't up on my head. Oh, I know. We cannot do a Vlogmas anything without our Vlogmas top thingy. I need to get to the next one, but yes, that is our outfit. So let's do a transition. Alright guys, so I am ready. So yes, this is what the fit looks like. So I'm gonna put on my socks in a sec, but we're gonna set this up so we can do like the first part of the Vlogmas intro. So I'm heading outside along with this thing. I'm supposed to be at practice, by the way, but we want to film this part first, so we're gonna do that first. So yeah. Alright, so this, I'm gonna set this up right here because what I want is to get like a shot of the door area right there. So we're gonna do that first and then we do the rest. Hi mother, I'm trying to do my intro. Yeah, try to do the intro. Alright, so guys, first shot wasn't bad, but I just need to put on my socks and then we'll be good to go. So we're gonna put on the green socks, so we're now all red, green, and gold. Red, green, and white. So watch out. Alright guys, so let's go. Take 2. Alright
Yeah, what
guys,
did they do some foolishness?
we're starting out the intros. So yes, we're back from church, so I'm gonna finish mine in a sec, but we're gonna do hers first. So yeah. Oh, and can you imagine me hungry, she hungry, she eat
Get
food.
wild, you're wicked.
That's a snack. A snack is different from food.
You know me, I love the snacks now.
Anyways guys, so we're going to film the intro in a second. So yes, check out our channel to see her Vlogmas intro reveal and background and all of that. Background, what am I talking about? Behind the scenes stuff here. I'm trying to figure out the main day. All the look. Ready? And
Almost come now? It's beginning to look a lot like
Java. Probably the too low.
Go start, Java.
No, start over. Come on. Just.
I'm good, but Shakay.
No, if you want to bend down a little bit.
I'm going to walk and come and feel. And stop.
You must have to bend down.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. You're blocking me all that short.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do.
Or you sit on something because you're kind of lower.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of our filming. I'm gonna need to now edit, put everything together and get everything ready for next week, Wednesday. I pretty much have like a week because tomorrow is Wednesday, so the 1st of December is a Wednesday, so it's like 1 week away. So I have a week to prepare mine and my sisters, along with the outro. Yeah, along with, like, you know, the little overlays and stuff like that. We have that to do as well. So I have a week to finish that and we're quite excited, right Chad? Woo! Alright, so we're gonna roll the official intro right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Without further ado, let us get it. 3, 2, 1.
Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, see those.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this intro. I hope you guys enjoyed. The intro and the outro will be coming in a few seconds. If you did enjoy, go ahead and, you know, comment down below today's emojis that you need to figure out. So if you did not watch that video, I told you guys that I'm gonna be doing, like, every day I'm gonna be putting up some emojis and you need to guess like what it is. It has something to do with Christmas, just that much I need to tell you guys. So these are the emojis. Comment what you think they mean in the description down below. Again, if you would like to get the motivational shout out of the day, go ahead, follow me on Instagram, tag me in your motivational comments or motivational thoughts, and yeah, I will read it in the next vlog, which is to come. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas day 2 tomorrow. Bye.